Our weather patterns remain virtually unchanged from this time yesterday, making my job nice and easy. You can almost hear a pin drop in the weather center at the moment, just not a lot of activity taking place across South Africa in terms of the weather. We did have a weak cold front that tried to produce a bit of cloud near Cape Town, but it basically fizzled out before reaching shore. We're left with mostly clear skies across all of South Africa and a dry overnight period expected from the west coast to the east coast. Let's find out if that will continue into your Thursday, and the simple answer is yes. We have partly sunny skies once again near the southwestern Cape and the south coast. Sunshine returns to the Highveld and east coast. And the best part about this forecast, if you ask me, would be the warming trend that'll take place across the Highveld. Wait till you see these maximum temperatures near Johannesburg, very spring-like. Before we get on to your forecast in detail, we do have one warning from the South African Weather Service. This is for a high fire danger. Anywhere you see that shading of red, including parts of the northern, western, and eastern Cape, runaway fires are possible this Thursday. Now, your forecast in detail calls for a splendid day throughout all of KwaZulu-Natal. Temperatures in the upper 20s and lower 30s. Quite a marked difference in the temperatures across the Eastern Cape, especially if you're located across the coastal regions. Compare that to the inland communities. Queenstown at 33, but a good 10 degrees cooler near East London and Port Elizabeth. That is thanks to a light onshore wind coming off of the ocean. Now we have occasional cloud cover in the forecast near the Garden Route. Temperatures nearing 20 for George, as well as Mossel Bay, Bredasdorp, and Hermanus in the upper teens and lower 20s. Cape Town, we're predicting a daytime high of 20 degrees for you with partly sunny skies. Dry weather along the west coast of our country once again. Springbok all the way to 28 degrees. Middle 30s from Uppington to Prieska with sunshine overhead. Bloemfontein warms to 31. We'll call it dry and warm across the entire Free State. Bethlehem and Harrismith in the middle and upper 20s for your Thursday. Dry day predicted across the northwest province. Rustenburg in the lower 30s. Ventersdorp 31 to be exact. 28 degrees if you're located near Polokwane. Sunny skies from the western Bushveld through the Limpopo Valley. More sunshine across the Mpumalanga province. eMakazeni 28 degrees. Mkondo 30. eMalahleni at 29. As we slide westward across the Gauteng province, dry weather awaits you this Thursday as well, and a warming trend as promised. 28 degrees for Johannesburg and Soweto. Pretoria the warm spot at 31. Light and variable winds across the Highveld, cross shore for Durban and Richards Bay, and just a light to moderate south to southwesterly wind predicted for Cape Town. Your extended forecast calls for a chance of rain from George to East London and Durban. Warm temperatures continue across the northern Highveld. Windy weather settles into the Cape Town region, and even a chance of rain by Saturday afternoon. That's all from me. Have a good one.
News that moves. eNCA.com.